Hello, my wonderful students. I am out today because I have a doctor's appointment and won't be back on time to go to the afternoon classes. So, what you'll be doing today is you're going to be working on your assignment on Schoology. The assignment on Schoology is the same thing that you did yesterday, which is conversions of measurements, but now we're going to be in word problem form. So make sure you watch this video and watch any video that's within the assignment. Also, tomorrow you'll be taking your math CDB. Now it's going to be a little bit different because you will not be reporting to the math class. You will reporting to the math to the cafeteria to take the CDB. There you will have two teachers helping you out. You should find the code for the CDB in the folder tomorrow. So make sure you go to the folder to find the CDB. It's the same thing that you've done before with other classes, with other class tests. So make sure that you are working on it. Now there are going to be 20 questions, so you will have tomorrow and probably Thursday to finish it. Please take your time on it and please try to finish at least 10 problems tomorrow. So I will see you probably on Thursday. Fifth period, you will report to uh, the math class tomorrow because the cafeteria will be full of students with to actually eating lunch. So I will talk to you more about it when you get to class. So I'll see you on Thursday and good luck on your CDB. So in your discussion, what I would like for you to answer is the question of the day. If you come up with your own subject, what subject would it be and why? So, for example, it could be knitting class, and knitting because you like to knit. So, something like that. So, go ahead and go to make sure that you are answering this in the discussion, and then watch everybody's and or look at everybody's what their classes are about. So, hopefully, and this will count as your attendance for today.